Oh, hey, whoa. Hi, we thought you'd like that. My name is Sam Goodwin with Hocoa, your home repair network, and today I brought to you Julie with Fairway Mortgage, and Julie does reverse mortgages. And so I know all of you are saying, well, what's a reverse mortgage? Well, I can tell you, but I'd probably screw it up. So I'd rather bring in the expert who knows about it, who can tell you about it and share this information.
A reverse mortgage is where you have the opportunity to use your equity in your home to be able to make life easier for you, to be able to manage your finances a little easier. It just, in general, it can make your life a lot less stressful, and it makes it so much easier for the future.
Now, who is this designed for? What's the reverse mortgage? What kind of person, what kind of homeowner?
Really, it's 62 and over, although we do have some programs that are now starting at 60, but they just have to be owner-occupied and 62 or over.
Okay, and it allows them to take the equity in their home.
Yes.
Gives them options of what they want to do with it, and there's no mortgage payment.
They have the option of making a payment or not making a payment.
Okay, so the option to not make a payment, what would happen at the end? I mean, I guess...
Well, this is a non-recourse loan. What happens is if you do not make the payment, the interest is attached to the existing balance.
Okay.
So your balance can go up.
Okay.
If you use it.
Right. But if I die in the home, I mean, there's...
Well, if you die in your home, what ends up happening is your spouse, if you're married, will just receive the home like any other home loan.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if he passes and there is equity, again, it's a normal loan. It's a HUD-insured loan, and at that point, they would have to either refinance or purchase the property.
Okay, gotcha. And then what if they wanted to purchase a second home and use this as their primary? They can do that?
Yes, what they can do is take the equity out of their current home and not have a payment, and with the equity they can purchase the second home that they always dreamed of.
Oh, wow.
Or they can take that dream vacation, or they can buy that motor home they never thought they could afford.
Right. So even if they do or don't have a 401k or something, and this can be really kind of a lifeline for some people, it sounds like.
It can be, because you can take this, the equity out of your home if need be, if the market is down, instead of taking it out of your retirement account. And you can, depending upon if you have equity, you can actually receive a monthly income with it. And if you do not have a lot of equity, at that point, your finances are easier to manage because you have the choice of not making a payment.
Okay. And how did you get into this business? I mean, how did you get into reverse mortgage?
Well, what ended up happening was I was semi-retired, and we ran into a situation that we would have to take money out of our 401k on a temporary basis. And we just didn't want to do that, so we looked for alternatives. And one of them was the reverse mortgage. And I was not in the beginning comfortable with the reverse mortgage, because I did see the progress of it, and I knew some of the circumstances that had happened in previous years. But it is totally revamped now, and has been over the years. It is now a HUD-insured loan, and it's like any other loan. You still have the same ability to pass it on. You have the same ability to sell it. Your family can do the same.
Okay, and that's cool. So it basically is the ability to defer that future interest and payments where it's at the end. Correct. But I mean, if you're a single person and you're 65 and you're retired and you're living in a home, it doesn't really make sense to, I mean, it doesn't make sense to hold on to all this equity if you need it.
And
if you need it.
If you need it.
Right,
correct. Yeah. And we have some people actually just set it up in case of medical emergencies, or, emergencies in general. We have people set it up to where if the older person passes, then the younger person has access to the equity to be able to keep the same kind of lifestyle that they've had in the past.
Oh, okay. What about if can they use it to make modifications to their home? I mean, a lot of people,
Absolutely.
and that's one thing that we hear get a lot of requests at times is that people want to stay in their home,
Yes.
and they might not have a huge retirement account, but they have the home paid off in full, and they really want to stay there till the last day.
You can do that. I think it's a great way to be able to finance the things that need to be fixed for you to stay in that home as you get older. It's a great way to do it, and it's a great way to be more comfortable in your home. If you have deferred maintenance, you have the ability to be able to use your equity to fix the things that need to be fixed. And if you're going to be in your house, why not be comfortable?
Yeah, I mean,
it makes
exactly. It's
sense.
your home and you love it and you want to be there. I mean, it makes total sense. So that's a lot of options. Now, Julie, what's the best way for people to get in contact with you if they have more questions? If you have a family member that's thinking about this, or or yourself are thinking about this, how do they contact you?
The best way really is by my cell phone. It's 619-997-5083.
Perfect. Well, Julie, thank you so much for coming on today. I appreciate it. A lot of people hear about reverse mortgage. They think Tom Selleck. Well, I brought the expert here. Tom, stick to the TV shows. But anyways, no, Julie's a great person. I've known Julie for the last a few years, I think 5 or 6, where we've done a lot of networking together. And the reverse mortgage, it's an option for certain people. And it's a good option if it's done right. And Julie's a great person. So if you have any comments or questions, please call Julie. If you'd like to, share this video down below. And my name is Sam Goodwin with Hocoa, your home repair network. And we'll see you next time.